Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. November 30, 2024, Saturday Racing. Ngayong araw ng Sabado, meron tayong 7 karera. Starting time ng karera, alas 3 ng hapon. All 7 races ay pare-parehong may distansyang 1,400 meter run. Race number 1, only choice number 1, Alapaap. Race 2, first choice number 2, Domsat 7. Second choice number 6, Distant Thunder. Race number 3, first choice number 6, Bohemian. Second choice number 4, Star of the Future. Dumako tayo sa race number 4. First choice, nakikita po nating na may malakas na maging banderang tapos. Number 6, first choice, Smiling Lady. Second choice, number 1, Princess Isabel. Race number 5, first choice, number 6, Golden Jaraywa. Second choice, number 4, Puting Kabayo, Manila Boy. Race 6, penultimate race. First choice, number 1, Iyazaki. Second choice, number 2, See You Tomorrow. Race 7, last race. Ang race na ito ay may pentafecta. First choice, galing sa bakasyon, number 3, Perfect Delight. Second choice, number 7, Daily Burn. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!